Hello everyone, this is lesson number 13, HSK free, and let's start to learn. First word for today is Gan Mao. Flu, to catch a cold. So it could be noun, also could be verb. Let's see. I caught a cold and feel very uncomfortable. 我感冒了，很不舒服。我感冒了。As you can see, here is le, so it's verb. I caught a cold. 我感冒了 or I got I sick. 很不舒服 and feel not comfortable. So 不舒服 it's not comfortable. 我感冒了，很不舒服。Next one. He has a cold and can go to the competition. 他感冒了，不能去比赛。他感冒了。He has a cold. 不能 cannot to go to somewhere. 比赛 so competition. 他感冒了，不能去比赛。Next one. You need to be careful when you have a cold. 感冒时要小心。感冒 as you remember, 时 or 的时候 or also 时 when time of something or when something. 感冒时 when the times when you cold or when you have a cold. 要 you need to be 小心 small heart or careful. 感冒时要小心。Next one, also connected with illness, it's 发烧 to run a fever, to have a temperature. I have a fever and feel very hot. 我发烧了，很热。As you can see, also le, because it's verb. 我发烧了 I have a fever. 很热 very hot. Feel very hot because his body temperature rised up. So 我发烧了，很热 very hot. Next one. He has a fever and needs to rest. 他发烧了，要休息。also good. 他发烧了 he has a fever. 发烧了，要休息 he need to rest. So 休息 is to rest. 要休息。Next one. Don't go out when you have a fever. 发烧的时候 as you can see, 的时候 it's the same as this one 感冒时 or also 的时候 also the same. 发烧的时候别出去。发烧的时候 when you have a fever at the time you have a cold, you have a fever. 发烧的时候别 don't 别出去 it's go out. 出 it's out, 去 it's to go. So 别出去 don't go out. 发烧的时候别出去。Next one it's裙子 skirt or dress. 裙子 Let's see. She wore a green skirt. 她穿了一条绿裙子 skirt.
skirt,
skirt,
skirt. 他穿了，穿 it's to wear something, and because it's wore, so 他穿了一条 one piece. As you remember, 条 it's a measure word for clothes. So tunes it's one of clothes. 一条 one of type of clothes. 他穿了一条绿 it's green 绿裙子 blue skirt, also could be blue green dress. Dress and skirt it's depend on situation. 他穿了一条绿裙子 Here is the dress. I don't know how it depends. Just could be anyone. Let's see. Dress, skirt, gown, petticoat, shirt, frock. So dress, as you can see, is more popular. The dress is very beautiful. 裙子很漂亮。裙子很漂亮。The dress is very beautiful. 很漂亮。Next one. I bought a new skirt. 我买了一条新裙子。我买了 I bought 我买了一条 a new or one new no just one piece of 新 it's a new 裙子 skirt. So 我买了一条新裙子 one piece of new skirt or new skirt. Next word is 草 grass 草. As you can see on the top we see the character radical represent grass. On the bottom we can see 早上的早 like a morning 早, but here is 草. It's just so bottom part represent the speaking part, top part represent the meaning part. So 草 it's a grass. The grass is green. 草是绿色的，绿色 green color 绿色。草是绿色的。The grass is a green color 绿色的。Next one. In summer, the grass grows very tall. 夏天草长得很高。As you remember, this 长 also could be 长 long, also could be 长 to grow up. Here is grow up. 夏天 summer 草 the grass 长得很高 grow very tall 很高 very tall. So 长得很高。夏天草长得很高。Next one. The grassland is very beautiful. 草地很漂亮。草地 the grass 草 it's a grass, 地 it's land, so grassland 草地很漂亮 is very beautiful. Be careful, this D also has another meaning of another pronunciation the in the when it's worked like a grammar point. Here is just a word to represent the land. 草地. Sometimes we have one character with a lot of pronunciation and with a lot of meanings, so be careful. 草地很漂亮. The grass is very beautiful. Next word is 开花 to bloom, to blossom. 开 it's to open, 花 it's a flower. So when flowers open, it's to bloom, to blossom. 开花 In spring, the flowers bloom. 春天花开花了。春天 in spring or at spring, 春天花 it's flowers. 开花了 bloom, so opens. As you can see, here's 花 and here's 花 is the same. 春天花开花了。Next one, here is la for change of situation. So before there was no open and bloom, now they bloomed. So 开花了。Next word, next example, the blossom on the tree are very beautiful. 树上开花很漂亮。树上 tree it's 树上 on the something. So on the tree 树上开花 blossoms 很漂亮 very beautiful. So as you can see, 开花 also could be a noun, not only verb. Flourish, antithesis, fluorescence, flower, flower. 树上开花很漂亮。On the tree blossom is very beautiful. Next one, the grassland is blooming. 草地开花了。草地 the grassland 开花了 is blooming. Is blooming because before this they're not blooming. So le represents a change of situation, change of state. 草地开花了。Next one, 夏天 the summer. The summer is very hot. 夏天很热 The summer is very hot. 夏天很热 very hot. It's pretty simple. Next one. In summer, I like eating fruit. 夏天我喜欢吃水果。夏天 in the summer. Oh, there is no in or any other preposition. Just it's obvious. 夏天 and the summer. 我喜欢 I like 吃 to eat something. 水果 fruit. So I like eating fruit. 夏天我喜欢吃水果。And last one for this lesson. In the summer or in summer, the grass is very green. 夏天草很绿。夏天 in the summer, 草 the grass 很绿 very green. 绿 it's green. So 夏天草很绿 The grass is very green. Let's repeat what we learned today. 感冒 flu or to catch a cold. 感冒 gan it's to feel something. 冒 it's like bad risk cold. I think cold, like feel cold, it's to get a cold. Flu. 感冒. Next one. 发烧 to run a fever. 发 it's to, I think it's to burn. So 烧 it's burn, fire or crack. 发 it's to issue, to start, to send. So when you start cooking, burning, fire, it's you can say to run a fever. 发烧。裙子 I think as you can see on the left part we have a character represent the clothes. On the right part, we see just for pronunciation, tune. So, tune, it's skirt or dress. Next one, 草, grass. 开花, to bloom, to blossom. And last one is 夏天, the summer. And let's learn one new idiom for today. It's 手忙脚乱. Let's see. 手 it's a hand. 忙 it's busy, we know it. 脚 it's a foot. And 乱 it's messy. 乱 it's a bit advanced word for now, but still. 乱 messy. What does it mean? In a flurry or all flustered. Let's see. During the exam, he was all flustered. 考试时 or 考试的时候 exam at the time of exam 他手忙脚乱 so he was all flustered. Let's see maybe some other translation. Hectic, frantic, flat spin, fumbling. With confusion in the wood. So it represents big confusion. Or very anxious, very, I think feel very worried, maybe hectic. Let's see. So it's represent to be in a big hurry, very hurry, or just in a flurry. 手忙脚乱 So that's all for today, and see you in the next one.